Okay, so here's what we've got. I came in this morning, there was 5 or 6 inches of snow piled up there. I knocked it down with a shovel. One of the things I noticed about it is that it's crusty and heavy. Depending on how cold it is, snow can be really light and fluffy, or it can be really heavy. And in this case, there's even a crust on top. You can see it there. And that's where either it was warm enough so it wasn't frozen very hard, or there could have been a little light rain or mist that fell on it, and then the temperature dropped and that froze. So what I'm doing this morning, or what I'm going to be doing, is just shoveling out a path. Because we have the RV sitting over there, we have to keep that area dug out. We have a power line that runs under there. There's a bulkhead that opens up that I have to dig out, and of course I have to keep all of this cleaned out so that we can get access to the trailer when we get ready to leave to go back down south. What I'll be doing today is just coming out like I am right now and just digging a while and then going in and resting some. Cutmer said the other day, you know, people have a lot of heart attacks from digging snow and such. It's true. I really think the thing to do with snow is to just kind of pace yourself, dig a little bit, and rest. Pick it all up at once, maybe, you know. Not that I'm an expert on snow digging, but I've dug a bit. And if you see how this is coming up in big chunks, it's not soft and fluffy or anything like that. Kind of important to shovel your steps out, because if you don't, you can step down in the snow and it might be a change of level. Like I've got 3 steps here, 1, 2, 3. If your foot sort of lands halfway on one and half on the other, you can twist your foot, turn your ankle, break an ankle, fall down. That's kind of fun thing you can do that aren't necessarily going to contribute to you having a really happy day. That's why, even though I've got a plow, I still go ahead and, you know, need to shovel, especially around the back door and everything. And the other thing is, if you walk on this stuff and crush it down, you just make it harder. Then when you do go to dig it, it's all packed down where you walked. That's kind of a problem too. I think I'll go ahead and crank the Jeep, and wouldn't hurt to take the plow and try to pull away. See how much of this stuff I can pull back away from the door too. Get it running, get it warming up also. It's pretty froze up. I need a little ether in her to get her going this morning. Got a pretty good healthy dose of ice up here on my hood. See, that ice is a sign of it being warm enough to melt into water and then refreeze when the temperature drops. I had talked about you. Somebody had suggested an engine warmer, and I had one. I thought, well, I probably won't need that, but I was wrong. I'll try a little shot of ether in there. If that doesn't do the trick, I'll throw the engine warmer on it, and I'll might need to put a battery charger on it too. Go get my ether. I got some here. I might not have it. Might have it. jar is almost empty, but it might start. That's not gonna work. Okay, be right back.